All right, guys. Back with part 2 of the French fry video. I like using this. Yep. Yes. Love it. It makes the fries like uniform. You feel me? I'll show you what I mean. Y'all can't see? Oh my gosh. Y'all too far. Okay. Hold on. Gotta move some stuff around. Wait. Gotta drop you a little bit lower. Tripod. Love it. Okay. Hold on. See? Dropping in the water. You know that when potatoes hit the air, it gets oxygen. So, you gotta work fast. Hey guys, I went to Lowe's today. I found her on the clearance rack. Show did, bookies. That's a little bit too thick. I'm gonna cut it in the middle. See? Perfect. Okay, so real quick. Her was $16.98. 50% off. Look at all the new ones. Look it. I am a plant fanatic. Yes, sir. I be killing some, but then I go get them again. This is my first one of these, though. I'm gonna see how long I could keep her. French fries. Yummy. Okay. I'm cutting all 5 of my potatoes that I showed you guys up. If I have too many, guess what I'm going to do? Freeze them. Yep. They're the best. They're the absolute best. Have you ever seen a French fry like this before? Come on, guys. Come on. Come on now. Not in your bag. Not in your pre-purchased bag. Okay. That's why I do it. I love doing things the all-natural way. It saves money. It takes a little effort, of course, but that's because it's the best. Anything that's the best will take effort. And you should just think about that as far as life goes as well, you know? You gotta put effort into anything that you do in order to see results. Feel me? I know most won't watch all the video, but those that do will get this wisdom that I just dropped on you. And you could go find one of these little woks that I got from the Chinese store. Yep, that's where I got it from. Or meat cleaver. Yeah, Freddy Krueger. That's what I think of when I see stuff like this, Freddy Krueger. So it's a gardening channel, but it probably will end up also being a food channel. Because, you know, I cook a lot of stuff from scratch. I really do.